What's up, everybody? Vincent here, and we are going to talk about 5 stocks that people are sleeping on, guys. And it has a lot to do with, guess what? Video games. That's right, guys. Video games are murdering in the market right now. And that's what we're talking about. We're talking about how bullish video games have been since this pandemic. So we're going to go through 5 video game companies that I've looked at and I've seen that just has been murdering, guys. And I'm doing this video for informative purposes, guys. I'm not doing this video to just tell you to blind buy on these opportunities, because you're going to hear me talk very optimistically about these particular companies and their stock and how they're trading, guys. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, do your own planning, plan your own entries and exits and stop loss and strategies on this stuff. But this is just to show you some opportunity that I noticed, and hopefully it can provide some type of opportunity for you. So let's go straight into it, guys. My name is Vincent. Welcome to our channel where we talk about the stock market, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and hit that like button, guys. Leave a comment below on what you're trading, what you're interested in getting involved in this market, or do you see value in these different stocks and stuff like that, guys. And lastly, please consider subscribing to the channel, guys. We absolutely would love to welcome you here to the community. And yeah, so let's get popping. I first want to talk about Nintendo, guys. And Nintendo has been doing extremely well this quarter, guys. They had their best quarter in April and June, guys. And honestly, they've surged up yearly 428%. So, I mean, you can just look at this. This is the initial sell-off in the pandemic. This is when the pandemic hit, guys. And Nintendo is up 60% right now, guys. Like, dude. And it's such a great opportunity, because these are the type of patterns that we like to trade. We like to trade ascending patterns. We like to trade patterns where the stock has continuously gone up over a period of time. Now, we did just see a pullback. We just see it hit a resistance, and now it's pulling back, and it may pull back down to the EMA, and we'll see if it breaks below the EMA or if it uses the EMA as a support and changes its direction. But you best believe I'm not going to buy into this opportunity until I see signs of a reversal, guys. Until I see, okay, hey, it's starting to go up, it's breaking above this resistance right here, and it's actually rallying, it's changing its direction, it's making new highs. Right now it's just pulled back, it's just sold off, and I want to see how much it's going to give back. And you best believe I'm going to get it as good as a deal as I want it to have, guys. But you can absolutely take advantage of this opportunity, guys. Intraday opportunity. We just seen it have a huge aggressive push up, guys, almost 6%. And even yesterday, guys, from lows on the day, it recovered back 2.3%. Now it just sold off again today, and we're seeing some consolidation, and we'll just follow that, guys. So we'll set our alerts for the break below, and then we'll just set our alerts for the break above the EMA, right? And just follow that. Now let's talk about our next company, guys, which is Activation Blizzard. A lot of you guys know this, guys. This is World of Warcraft, guys. This is your Call of Duty Warzone. So this, of course, this company looks very similar to the last pattern we looked at, guys. You see, only difference is you see a lot of consolidation right here, guys. It looks extremely choppy, very volatile. But from that battle, from that war, we see it just remains victorious, guys. 53% right now. And it's kind of went through a pullback also. But this is why these are great opportunity, guys, because these are ascending patterns. These are companies, stocks that have over a period of time, over 180 days, guys, only gone up in value. The last 6 months, they've only been continuously making higher highs. Even when they pull back, they recover and rally. So that is why we're showing you this, because they just had a pullback, guys. This could potentially act as a support. If you want to trade it, wait for the break above, wait for the confirmation. That's my advice. But then again, to each his own, trade it the way you want to. But just to advise you guys, I hope you're not one of those people that just blind buy into these opportunities, just hoping to make money without a plan on how much you're trying to make, and where you're going to sell it if it doesn't go based off of what you thought was going to happen. So I hope you're not one of those people, guys. If you are, you're going to have a bad time. But you can just see, guys, this is a very, very, very appetizing position and appetizing opportunity, and right now we see it's already starting to change its direction at that support. So as I said, we will follow this, watch this, but you best believe, guys, that I am looking at seizing opportunity. I'm a deal hunter. That's how we make money in this market. We find great stocks. We find great companies that are kicking behind. We wait for them to get a good kick in the gut, guys, for them to get weak for a second. Then we buy in and wait for them to get strong again, and then we sell it off. That's what we're looking for. So I like Activision Blizzard right now, guys, and you best believe this is one of those extra stocks. This was one of my 5. Let's go to the next one. Electric Arts, guys. That is the companies that make FIFA soccer, Madden, guys. These guys, they've been doing the same thing. They've been extremely bullish. Same story, 75% since the initial COVID sell-off. Very, very bullish pattern, guys. Very predictable. Sells off, recovers, sells off, recovers, sells off, recovers, sells off. What do you think might happen? I'm not saying this is guaranteed. I'm not saying you need to blind buy in. I'm just saying we look for good opportunities. If you want to seize a good opportunity, guys, we have some good opportunities right in front of you. Plan it, strategize it, create a risk management plan. I cannot stress that enough. Do not trade anything without a risk management plan. Do not trade anything based off of my opinion. Do your own due diligence, guys. Please do your own due diligence, guys. Do it, okay? Let's talk about the next company. Take-Two Interactive, guys. This is your Grand Theft Auto, okay? This is people going stupid, robbing people. That's what this stock is, guys. And if you look at it, man, it has literally just been looking like it's been robbing people, guys. I mean, it's very, very bullish. Let's go to the 4-hour 180-day. Same story, guys. Sold off. Up almost 80% right now, guys. Just had a pullback. Now, granted, the only thing I'll say is I like trading very bullish patterns, guys. I like trading ascending patterns, but I like for them to pull back a little bit. And this doesn't have quite as much as a pullback, though it still has some opportunity for margin. I feel like it has a lot more potential for loss than it does for growth. That's just my opinion. I would like to see this pull back a little bit more, then consolidate, and then possibly change its direction for me to seize an opportunity. But I like this, guys, because this is an ascending pattern. It's very bullish. It's been rallying, and that's the type of patterns we like to trade. Companies that's making money. Guys, if you want to make money inside your portfolio, doesn't it make sense to trade other things, guys, that make money? Don't that just, guys, isn't that just coming and seeing ya? Right? You get what I'm saying? That just, guys, it just makes sense. You know what I'm saying? If it makes sense, it's gonna make you bread. It's gonna make you cash. And let's talk about the last company, guys. My last company is, of course, guys, Nvidia Corp, guys. This is the company that's responsible for Fortnite. I struggle pronouncing it, but of course, as you can see, very similar to the last other patterns that we looked at, guys. Sell off, consolidation, and then change in direction. Huge change. This is 130% growth, guys. Very, very expensive stock, though. It is. This is the most expensive out of all the ones I showed you. Almost $500. But you can see why, guys. It's a warrior. It's a champion, guys. It's literally been slaying any opportunity that has come to it. But this is something I want you to pay attention to. Look at the RSI, guys. Look at the MACD. It has a very predictable pattern. It sells off, it pushes up. 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 It sells off. Look, it pushes up. Now we're seeing it back in that overbought range, and we're kind of seeing it kind of lose some of that aggressive momentum, consolidate, and we're possibly going to see a change in direction. I want you to have this in your watch list, though, because if you have this in your watch list, guys, and you're setting your alerts, you're going to get that aggressive pullback. You're going to get that consolidation, and as soon as it starts to change its direction, that's what we're going to send our alert, and that's what we're going to get in. And you best believe I'm going to set my alerts, guys, because I want to absolutely get part of that opportunity, guys. So that is it. Those are the 5 stocks that I have for you guys. Feel free to look these up. Feel free to do your own due diligence, do your own research. But these are just opinions, guys. These are not absolute guarantees. You buy in, you're going to make all this ridiculous money. This is just to provide you opportunity, to show you what's trading really well right now, what's really bullish, was rallying, and hopefully you can get in on some of that opportunity yourself. But you have to do that research and that planning and that strategizing yourself, guys. Look, if you need help knowing how do you enter and exit trades, guys, I'm going to card the video. I'm going to link that video, so you should see it come up. That'll help you understand how you can trade this stuff, guys. And also, thank you so much for sticking around and hanging out. Hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you got value out of it. If you did, guys, hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. I mean, just hit that subscribe. Join the family. You've been watching for so long, guys. Just go ahead and hit that button and join the family. And the last thing is, guys, I absolutely hope that you have a great time trading. Stay positive, stay focused, and remain focused on your goals, guys. I'll see you at the next video. Take care.